today we're here. We're at the CFC Mall and we're about to watch a movie, Superman. Yeah, can't wait, I'm so pumped. Okay, so we're gonna do a taste test. First, we're gonna start with the blueberry slushy. Wow. Nice, it's nice, very nice. Taste test 2. So we're gonna be trying out the popcorn. So I got the mixed option. Basically have salted and caramelized popcorn. Yeah, but I'm using it as my stand. Just try someone else's. So this is salted. It's just pretty normal. Nothing very common. Let me try this caramelized one. I'd say I've tested that definitely, but the quantities are nice. The price, I could have it any day. So now we are at Magic Planet. It's more of an arcade type place. So there are very many games. You can see there's bumper cars right behind me. Yeah, so there's a lot. Can't wait to experience all these games. Yeah, see you in a bit. So basically you get in and then you rest on the walls and then it starts spinning, then it ascends up and you detach from the floor and then it spins so fast, the centrifugal force keeps you stuck on the wall. It's so cheaply, so crazy, there's so much force holding you to the wall and you get so dizzy when you're riding it. It's such a great experience, but you can't do it twice. Guys, we are now in IKEA, so first time here. I like the experience. It's a curated experience, so there's a trail that you follow and see everything that they have. So they have a lot of furniture, they also have a lot of designed spaces, so if you want to like maybe design your bedroom or your kitchen a particular way, they have displays of that, so it makes your designing really easy. So now we're getting some shawarmas for lunch. We can't wait to test them because they're getting so much hype. Yet to find out why. And then we're gonna head to the Decathlon store, get something from there, and then head home. But I actually have something from Decathlon, but in Kenya. This watch, it's a Kalenji watch. Yeah, I got it like a couple of years ago from Decathlon in the hub. Yeah, but can't wait to see what this Decathlon store has. New purchase. Just got a new watch. So my old watch, my previous watch got damaged. it's supposed to be waterproof, but I don't know what happened. I went swimming with it when we were in Dahab. Yeah, and it just got damaged. So we are back home. Had such a lovely, interesting day. Yeah, so right now I'm just gonna go take a shower, lie down, do something relaxing, and then I'll catch you in the next one. What night?